Throughout the film, we get to witness how dancing was used for more than just entertainment, but also to educate society on the LGBT community. The film goes into great detail about the lives of the dancers and the not so glamorizing aspects of being a trans woman of color. Some of those issues included AIDS, racism, poverty, violence, homophobia, and even sex work. The documentary focuses heavily on the African American and Latino LGBT communities and how they struggle to survive in what they refer to a rich white world. We are informed about the different sexual identities and gender presentations, like gay men, butch queens, transgender women and men, and even cisgender. Through the many popular dance moves like voguing, originated from the balls, the world has finally seen the trials and tribulations of the men and queens of drag brought awareness to a much bigger culture that goes beyond dancing.